Does your E39 or E46, E53, any early model 2000 BMW not have heat? Does nothing work? Do you push buttons and nothing happens? No heat, no nothing. Nothing works. Are you experiencing any of these problems? Well, guess what? I have the fix for you.
I'm gay.
So if you are experiencing no air coming through the HVAC system at all, your problem is most likely, it's called an FMU, or final stage unit. In other words, it is the blower motor resistor. And on E39s and E46s and E53s, this is it. This is your part. And it is located right under there. So we're going to have to get all this out of the way. I'm going to start with this. Oh, this just slides out. Slides out of the way. And we get access to over here. And you see that clip right there? That's it. So we're going to remove a few things to make it easier. Now that you got your little vent out of the way, there's two clips, top and bottom. Now that you got this unhooked, the FMU is held in by a little retaining clip right there, and on the bottom, just push it up just a little bit, and there it is. And that has a good amount of corrosion, even on the connectors, so this is definitely bad. To install the new one, simply going to get up there, make sure it's the right way. Simply going to slide it into place like so. That's that. That's in. Make sure this gets plugged in. You hear two clicks. And find the key. Start the car. There we go. Heat is working. In fact, the car's warm, so it's actually really hot already. But that is all. If that doesn't fix your problem, make sure to check fuses under the glove box. Fuse 25, 43, 44, 9, and 20 are all HVAC related. And in the trunk, 56 and 58 are HVAC related. Hope this video helps. See you guys later.